mission.
Will I make it into MSC World America's most coveted top secret place, or will it be a dud? Stay tuned. And at the end of this vlog, there'll be some tips and tricks for getting inside MSC's Speakeasy. Come along.
Let's take this show on the road.
Hi, my name is Carlene. I work a 9 to 5, but travel the world as if I don't. This is my channel, See It With C, where I share how I balance a thriving career while maintaining a travel lifestyle. Good morning. It is day 2 on board MSC World America, and I am here on my balcony having breakfast, and we're going to see what the rest of the day holds. So for breakfast, I'm just having some cornflakes, a cup of coffee, and for some reason, MSC doesn't want me to be healthy because the container is like, I've never seen it lock this rock solid. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be. Make sure that you pack a water bottle because I got a little dehydrated, so I went ahead and broke down and ordered a bottle of water. $5.25 to my stateroom, out of my pocket. And of course, coffee to start the day. Alrighty, so we are kicking off day 2 here at Hola Tacos for lunch. If you have not saw already, I've put together a quick preview of my first day, so go check out that vlog. It's not my best editing, but it gives you a sneak peek of what my first impressions on World America were like. I usually like to start my cruise having Hola Tacos, but it's closed on the first lunch day, or the first day, embarkation day at lunch. So they were able to fit me here for lunch today at 1, and it's a much smaller facility than compared to their other Hola Tacos, but hopefully the food is just as good, and hopefully the service is just as good. We'll see. I find Hola Tacos to be MSC's most consistent specialty dining experience. Hola Tacos is a taqueria as well as cantina on MSC ships, and you can either buy your items a la carte, or you can pay, I believe now it's $24.99 to have all you can eat on the menu. And here is the menu right here for your viewing pleasure. Alright, so I got the passion Rita. Regina has a strawberry Rita. So I'm gonna give this a try, and I have my towel on me. I'm freezing here in Hola Tacos, so you might want to bring a jacket because I have my bathing suit attire cover up on, and I'm freezing. Ooh, I like that, particularly with the salt and the sweet. Thank you, make sure the mentions for the recommendation on that one. Bit of a taco feast going on here. I'm looking like a hungry hippo with 4 tacos. But I have not had anything since my little quick breakfast, so excited. So that's barbacoa, pastor, I mixed a couple up. Oh, carne asada and chile con carne. There seems to be even like a quick service or a quick bar here at Hola Tacos. It's not fully functional yet, but it's cool to know that you're going to be able to walk up and get you a little bit of a quick bite at Hola Tacos. So whenever they open that up, that'll be really cool. Finished my lunch at Hola Tacos. Of course, it was great as usual. I enjoyed their little small tacos, the pastor, carnitas. Everything was really barbacoa, really tasty. I did the a la carte instead of doing the 20. They went up. It used to be $17.99 or $17 for all you can eat. Now all you can eat is $24.99. So I feel like I was gonna eat $24.99 worth of tacos. Maybe they throw a drink in there or something. They should probably like create like a package that has like a couple of tacos, 3 tacos and a margarita. I'll be down for that. All right, I am going to, I think, head up to see what outside is looking like now that I am full from lunch. Up on the Lido deck, there was a Latin dance class that was pretty popular. The cruise director also did some line dancing classes that were pretty beginner friendly. So if you want to learn line dancing classes, get up here. And then after that, I headed to the adults only area. Look at this view, stunning ocean views. I'm back here in the adults only area for a drink before transitioning to dinner. Sorry for the sound. I had to charge my mics, but I am here for afternoon pick-me-up, so I'm trying out Coffee Emporium for the first time. Coffee Emporium is a designated coffee shop on board MSC World America. Here you will find chocolates, snacks, light breakfast throughout the day, as well as comfortable seating, plugs to kind of charge. It is not included, but most of your drink package items will be included here. In the back of the Coffee Emporium is an immersive scent experience where you get to smell some of the scents that infuse their coffees. Can't smell much there. Roses. Really relaxing experience. Okay, I don't know the last time I have done main dining room. It's been a while, but here for Gala night in the main dining room, and starting off with the lobster bisque. I had the lobster bisque as a starter. It had a strong fishy taste and not too much lobster, which was fine. It's in the main dining room. And then I had the lobster, which came with shrimp and a basil risotto. After dinner, it was time to check out the Dirty Dancing show. Okay, y'all know I don't like doing shows, but I am here for you to see what the Dirty Dancing show is like. I've heard that there are 2 different showings. The one in the daytime is very different from the one in the evening. So, I've been corralled to the one in the evening, and we'll see what it's like. So you want to sit behind this row backwards so that you can see the platform and you can see the stage.
adult scavenger hunt.
This is your cue.
We're
If
looking
you
for
do
coins.
not want to know about how to get into MSC's World America Speakeasy, if you want to keep this a secret, log off of this video right now. Okay, they're gone. So, the MSC World America Speakeasy can be accessed through this red booth here. It's up to you to find out where this red booth is on the ship. We did some thorough investigating throughout our 7-day cruise to figure out how to get into this location. Essentially, you want to go into one of the bars like Elixir or the Fizz Bar or Gin Project, one of the bars that usually has an upcharge for some of its drinks. And while you're there, engage with the bartenders. However, there may be a special officer that will flow throughout the evening. On my sailing, this is a deep cut secret. On my sailing, he was a man. He looked of Indian descent with green eyes. They may rotate who that officer is, but it's essentially that person will stand out. They'll walk into the room and kind of peruse the room. And as they're navigating throughout the room, they may invite you to this exclusive experience. Now, something to be mindful of, if you get invited, you will have to register for a time, and the Speakeasy does have an upcharge, which is why they are looking for people who, like they are tipping the bartenders who are enjoying enhanced cocktails, those kind of things, because they want to make sure that when you get behind entry, you don't become disappointed by having to pay another more. However, I have heard the experience was worth it. As you can see, we were not successful this sailing. Maybe next time, but I hope these tips help you.
It said welcome to guest services, and then they hung up on me. But there's more information here. I don't know.
I hope you enjoyed this little peek behind the curtain on one of MSC's most exclusive experiences, the Speakeasy. This is C with C. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
Take this show on the road.